what you're working with. Show me what you're working with.
You go your word.
Mona. Come on, work it, Amber. Come on, Amber. Do you want me to dance with you?
I did it, I was sober.
That is true.
Why me?
Because you're the funnest one. That's what makes it fun.
Funny about me.
Yes, it is.
You might as well go ahead and do this and get comfortable for the summer, because that's always going to be going down.
Work it. Oh, yeah.
I guess I touched. I don't get the phone in. This is gonna be awkward.
Oh, that was mean.
Come here. Come
You
here.
lost it.
Come here.
You fucking lost it.
Happy people. Happy people.
You lost it.
My face is ringing, but I'm looking at them.
I tried. You sabotaged it.
I didn't sabotage anything.
Oh, yes, you did.
Come on.
You know, I have not been like this in years.
Hey,
That's good.
Years.
you're breaking out with people that you know. They're like some stranger here.
Damn.
Let me tell you like this. This summer, if you come, when Landon's asleep,
I know, you might as well
you will
get ready.
you will have chocolate sauce all over you.
Or you could eat Taco Bell with me and Alex.
I'm gonna get Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
I want chocolate.
Oh!
You can go hang out with Chris if you want chocolate so bad.
I don't want a brownie. I still want chocolate. No.
This is so, like, I'm not
That's so high
comfortable
school.
enough yet.